Never mind. So 3, finding the range. Easiest way to find the range, I think, is to sketch the graph with a restricted domain. So how do you get to that? Control I will open a new page. Select 2, you get graph. Put in the graph function bracket x minus 1 square. Now, this is the thing I showed you before. Control equal, and then you need to put the dash, and then you can put in the restricted domain. It's between -4 and 2, inclusive for -4 and exclusive for 2. Okay, there you go. A quick way to see the whole graph is to zoom fit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Now this time it works. So there's your equation. Now if you want to find the range, you probably want to be able to trace all of those points. So our trace menu, number 5 is trace, graph trace. Graph trace is 5. This is 0, 1, y-intercept. Let's trace one more point. Go up. Oh, can I change this to 4? Nah, that's not good. I can't find 4, so is there another way? Trace that? I think so. Let me try again. It doesn't work. I don't know whether this program is not updated. Yeah, I probably have to do that. But I can't be bothered. I have to type the thing again. Hey, time is of the essence. Analyze graph? No, that's not going to work. I think. Okay, I think I fixed it. Graph trace. Yeah, -425. I've done some magical thing, which I'm not going to explain because it takes too long. All right, so between 0, 1 and -125, I can explain it. All I've done is to to define the trace step into 0.1, so it's going to move every 0.1 instead of automatic. So if you want a very small increment, that's what you can do. All right, so let's just trace this point as well. 0, 1 is useless. I need another point. Menu, trace, graph trace. Let's go down. I'm recording this so you can watch this later. Although my voice is really loud because I'm actually not 9, 10. Okay, yeah, that's good. 0, 1, 0. So what's the range? Inclusive, exclusive? How do I get rid of F1? This is ridiculous. Can we pay attention for a second? I want to talk about one thing. Guys, listen. If you look at the original domain of this question, I know that it is not part of the range, but let's say I want to find the other endpoint. Look at the graph. You want to find this endpoint at the end. Yes, looking at the graph on the board. If you want to find this endpoint, and let's say you're going to trace it, it's basically going to be an exclusive point, isn't it? Now, the problem is, if you define the domain to not include 2, it's not gonna, actually, it'd be funny if it actually does it. Okay, let me trace that point to 2. Yeah, if you define the domain to not include 2, the CAS is not going to give you a value at x equal to 2. It will come out as undefined because you haven't included 2 in the domain. So if you want to find the actual coordinate of the endpoint, you might have to go back and include 2 in the graph that you sketch, so you actually get a y coordinate. But obviously, don't shade that point when you sketch the actual graph. Does anyone understand what I just said? Like half the people are listening. So that's the issue with correctly defining the domain in the CAS. It's not gonna, the point is not going to come out because you didn't define it. So just keep that in mind and don't panic. If you see that in the exam, you're like, I don't know what the other endpoint is. It might be better off to include both points and then circle it accordingly in your actual answer. Okay? So that's the issue of lesson 2. What's the answer for 3 then? From 0 to 25 inclusive. So E is the answer for 3.